Deep in the heart of the dense rainforests, a creature moves so slowly that even the wind seems to pass it by without noticing. This is the world of the sloth, where time appears to stretch into eternity. But don't let its sluggish pace fool you, there's more to these slow-motion wonders than meets the eye. Imagine this: a predator is prowling through the jungle, its sharp eyes scanning for any hint of movement. But even with its deadly instincts, it misses something vital: a sloth hanging upside down, blending into the canopy, motionless like a shadow. You see, what the sloth lacks in speed, it makes up for with near invisibility. Its fur is often covered in algae, creating a perfect camouflage against the vibrant green backdrop of the jungle. In the world of the sloth, stillness is survival. But that's not their only trick. Their metabolism is incredibly slow, allowing them to survive on just a few leaves a day, while their grip is so strong that even in death, sloths can stay hanging from a tree branch. Moving slow is not just a lifestyle, it's a finely tuned survival strategy that lets them conserve energy and stay off the radar of predators. And then, there's the sloth's deadly secret: its claws. Stretching up to 4 inches long, these sharp, hooked weapons can inflict serious damage. If threatened, a sloth might look gentle, but in a single swipe, it can fend off a predator with surprising ferocity. Sloths live in a world of patience, moving at a pace that defies nature's fast rhythms. But here's the twist: their slow, deliberate movements give them a hidden strength, a calm power that makes them one of the most unique survivors in the wild. Poll asterisk: if you had to choose, would you prefer to move as slow and deliberate as a sloth, or as fast and fierce as a cheetah?